Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray. That prevents shorting and gives access. Next, apply steady heat along the metal plate edge with a hairdryer or low-heat gun for 60–90 seconds to soften adhesive. Hold heat 3–4 cm away and move constantly so you don't overheat internal components. Once the adhesive softens, attach a small suction cup to lift a corner just enough to insert a plastic pick. You want a tiny gap, not a full removal yet. With a pick in place, work around the plate using slow, deliberate motions. You separate adhesive rather than ripping it. If adhesive runs long, loop floss behind the plate and saw gently while pulling. This minimizes stress on the chassis. Reapply short bursts of heat if a spot resists. Make sure the temperature never concentrates more than a few seconds. Use tweezers to lift edges as they free, and pause to inspect flex cables or magnets that may be attached under the plate. After removing the plate, clean remaining glue with a lint-free cloth dampened in isopropyl alcohol. This ensures good adhesion if you reinstall. Inspect for detached cables or magnets and gently reposition them. Then apply a new 3M adhesive strip size to the plate. If the plate resists, don't force it, reheat the area, use the floss technique, or stop and consult a repair pro to avoid bending the frame or tearing flex cables. That troubleshooting step prevents costly damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.